My name is Steve, and for fun, I film my mates' cars. I shoot the film, do the edits, and they talk about their car. This is my YouTube channel, Car Motion 997. Please like and subscribe.
Bought the Cobra just after COVID, purely because I'd been down to Spain and France and I fancied one.
Okay, compared to what you've had in the past, how are you rating this car for, let's say, a fun factor?
Oh, this has to be the biggest one for me. It's the smile factor. It puts a smile on your face when you're driving it, and it also puts a lot of people smiling as well.
Yeah, I guess you get a lot of people waving to you when you're driving.
You do get a lot of, when you're on the continent, they're all filming videos of you going down the dual carriageway.
It all began early this year at Sebring, Florida, when the comparatively unknown Cobra, built by Carroll Shelby, made its appearance. Later, the Cobra, driven by Ken Miles, got the checkered flag, winning its class by covering first, second, and fourth. Watkins Glen, first, second, third, and fifth. Kent Watkins. But recognition was quick when the Cobra, driven by Bill Hill, completed the first lap, leading the field, including the highly touted Ferrari.
Anyone thinking about getting an AC, once they've seen this video, what sort of things should they look for?
Well, they have to make up their mind whether they are happy with somebody that has scrap built the car themselves or whether it's being professionally built. I personally went for the professional build. This car was built by Dave Brooks of E.P.A.S, and Dave has a background and the knowledge to build this type of car. Currently, he builds all aluminium 427s and 289s.
Okay, obviously this is a car you like, Graham. Any sort of high points and low points about the car? Not necessarily likes and dislikes, but, you know, just things you'd watch out for.
That's a difficult question because I think with all these cars that people buy, we're always trying to improve upon them, and this is no exception. I'm constantly looking at ways to improve things.